Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Guitar Books is probably one of the most effective ways to kickstart your musical journey. Whether you're strumming your first chords or aiming to master complex techniques, the right book can provide a structured path to success. In this video, we'll explore some of the top guitar books for beginners, helping you find the perfect resource to unlock your musical potential and make learning guitar a fun and rewarding experience. Number 5. Teach Yourself Guitar, Beginner's Guide with Tablature. Are you ready to learn guitar? This book is the perfect starting point. It provides a quick and easy introduction for beginners, guiding them through the fundamentals. This guide utilizes tablature, making it simple to understand and play. It's designed for self-learning, allowing you to progress at your own pace. Inside, you'll find sheet music and chords for both acoustic and electric guitars. This comprehensive approach ensures you have everything you need to succeed. The book focuses on a quick and easy introduction, getting you playing quickly. It breaks down complex concepts into manageable steps. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this book is designed to help you learn. It's a fantastic resource for anyone wanting to play the guitar. What we like. This book offers a fast track to guitar basics. It's perfect for those who want to start playing quickly. If you're eager to strum your first chords and read tablature, this is the ideal choice to get you started. What people say. This book breaks down the basics of guitar playing in a simple, step-by-step format that makes it easy for beginners to pick up the instrument and start playing right away. The content is clearly organized, with each chapter focusing on key skills, such as tuning the guitar, basic chord shapes, strumming techniques, and simple songs. The book offers clear explanations of musical terms and concepts, and includes practical tips that help beginners avoid common mistakes. Number 4. Beginner Guitar Lessons for Kids Book. This book is designed to help kids learn guitar in a fun and engaging way. It includes online video and audio access, making it easy for them to follow along and practice. The lessons are designed for beginners, with step-by-step instructions and clear explanations. It breaks down complex concepts into manageable chunks, so they can learn at their own pace. With the included online resources, they can watch videos and listen to audio examples. This provides a multisensory learning experience, helping them grasp the concepts more effectively. The book allows them to learn at their own speed. They can revisit lessons as needed and practice until they feel confident. Give your child the gift of music with this comprehensive guitar learning resource. It's a great way to foster creativity and build a lifelong love of music. What we like. This book is designed specifically for young learners. It provides engaging lessons with accompanying video and audio resources. If your child is excited to learn guitar in an interactive way, this is a great option. What people say. This book breaks down chords into simple 1 or 2 finger versions, which is a good place to start learning. Large print and detailed explanations make this a good beginner book for kids. There is also an option to go online to their website to watch the chords being played and the songs being strummed. Number 3. Acoustic Guitar Primer Book for Beginners. This book is designed for beginners. It provides a comprehensive guide to learning the acoustic guitar, making it easy to get started. It comes with online video and audio access. You can watch and listen to the lessons anytime, anywhere. The lessons are structured to be easy to follow. It breaks down complex concepts into simple steps. It covers all the basics, from tuning the guitar to playing chords and simple songs. You'll build a solid foundation. With this book, you can unlock your musical potential. It's a great way to learn and enjoy playing the guitar. What we like. This book is tailored for acoustic guitar enthusiasts. It comes with online video and audio support to enhance your learning experience. If you're looking to master the acoustic guitar, this book will be your best friend. What people say. This book does a great job of introducing you to some tricks exclusive to 6 strings, and builds you up to playing a decent tune within the first few pages. The tips within the lessons are fantastic, very helpful with hand positions, posturing, and ways to avoid bad playing habits. If you're a noob, pay attention to these. This has strumming patterns and even reading staff, to learn each string. Number 2. Guitar exercises for beginners, 10 minutes a day. Are you ready to take your guitar skills to the next level? This program is designed specifically for beginners like you. It's the perfect way to start your musical journey. You don't need hours of practice to see results. With just 10 minutes a day, this program will help you significantly improve. It's a simple yet effective approach. This program focuses on the fundamental exercises that every beginner needs. They will build a strong foundation for your guitar playing. It covers everything you need to know. Learn at your own pace with easy-to-follow instructions. The exercises are designed to be both engaging and effective. You'll see progress quickly. Get ready to see a dramatic improvement in your guitar skills. This program is your key to unlocking your musical potential. Start your journey today. What we like. This book focuses on consistent practice for rapid skill development. It provides exercises to improve your guitar skills in just minutes a day. If you're looking to maximize your practice time and see quick results, this is the perfect book for you. What people say. I'm a beginner guitar player and this book has been so helpful in improving the dexterity in my left hand. I love that it has tab as well as regular musical notation. Great book tells you everything you need to know about learning guitar from bottom to top. Loaded with excellent exercises to speed you along in learning guitar. The book explains guitar tablature and how to use it easily. You do not need to know or learn how to read music. Teaches you exercises to practice, has bonuses to download, also has audio files you can download and play so you know how it's supposed to sound. Number 1. Guitar book for adult beginners. This book is designed for adult beginners. It teaches you how to play famous guitar songs. You'll be strumming along in no time. Inside, you'll find lessons on essential guitar chords. It breaks down each chord, making it easy to understand and play. Get ready to expand your musical vocabulary. The book also covers basic music theory. It explains how music works, helping you understand the why behind the what. This knowledge will enhance your playing. Improve your guitar technique with helpful tips and exercises. This will help you play more smoothly and efficiently. It's all about building a solid foundation. This book comes with streaming video lessons. They provide visual guidance to complement the book's content. It's like having a personal guitar tutor. What we like. This book teaches you to play famous guitar songs while also covering music theory. It includes streaming video lessons to guide you. If you like learning through popular songs and understanding the why behind the music, you should consider this. What people say. This book is very good, a thorough introduction to learning to play the guitar with zero experience. I love that it begins with the types of guitars and continues with a solid and intuitive foundation. The video snippets are incredible. They allow you to begin seeing success immediately. You get to begin making music. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.